It's right after Easter. You probably have 10 million of these eggs around your house. Let's do something with them. Let's paint something. All right, here's what you need to grab. Some kind of a box, paper, drop the paper inside. Easter egg, magnet. Magnet inside the Easter egg. It's best if you use a fairly strong magnet, magnetic wand. If you don't have some of these, get some. They're amazing. And paint. That's it. First thing you're gonna need is some random boxes. You just want to elevate your shoebox a little bit so that kids can reach under it with their little magnet wand. Obviously, we've gone super high class here. Okay, next, shoebox, thick paper inside, paint, 1 or 2 colors, doesn't matter. All right, a couple just little splotches. Now it looks like we've mustarded our paper. Pink. Magnet in the egg. Drop it in. Magic wand under the box. And spin that bad boy around. Scooch this over. It's a masterpiece. You can flip it around if you want to get the other side. Move that box as much as you need to. You can lift up the box if you need to. This is process art at its finest. Reminder that it doesn't have to be a masterpiece to be beautiful and worthwhile. We learned a little bit about magnets, we learned about color theory with the color mixing, we practiced some fine motor skills, and we just had fun. If you are looking for some more crafts, make sure to check out my craft playlist. I do a new craft every month. They're all super simple with stuff you have on hand. And use up those Easter eggs. Go have fun, make some paintings.